Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is sound. First of all, let us discuss what is sound. Sound is a form of energy that gives us sensation of hearing through our ears. Most of the animals are having one organ for hearing, that is ears, but some exceptions are also there. Some animals don't have organ for hearing, that is ear. They are having this sensation of hearing through some other organs. As for example, snakes can get this sensation of hearing through the scales present on their body. Now we must discuss how sound is produced. Sound is produced due to a rapid to and fro motion of any object. First of all, what is rapid to and fro motion? Rapid to and fro motion is front and back motion of any object, or we can say it is also called oscillation. Now, the rapid to and fro motion is called vibration. If the to and fro motion is slow, just like pendulum of a clock, then it is called oscillation. But if the to and fro motion is very fast, that we cannot count the number of to and fro motion, then that motion is called vibration. Now we have to discuss what is the importance of sound for us. Sound is very important for the living beings as it helps them in communicating with each other and do different types of work. Unless and until all the living beings won't be able to communicate with each other, they cannot build relationships with each other. As well as there are different type of work that needs to be done with the help of others, and for this communication is very much needed. So hearing helps us in communicating with each other, and by the help of this we are able to do any type of work easily. Now, how this vibration helps us in hearing, let us discuss. A vibrating object vibrates the air particles around it, and this vibration is transferred subsequently from one particle to another particle. That means if any object moves to and fro very rapidly, there is always air around it, so that air particles also start moving. Those moving air particles collide with another air particles and make them move, and this movement, that is to and fro motion, that is transferred from one particle to another particle, and finally this movement of air particles finally reaches our ears, and ear is having special organ to detect that vibration or movement of air particles. About this we will discuss in more detail in the upcoming classes. So the vibration is transferred subsequently from one particle to another particle, and finally this vibration reaches our ears and we can hear it. So we can understand that sound needs some vibrating particle. It means it needs medium to travel. The medium can be anything. It can be a solid medium, it can be a liquid medium, or it can be a gaseous medium. Now, for the upcoming classes, we will be discussing one topic, that is how the speed of sound changes between solid, liquid and gaseous medium. So I give you this as your homework. You learn this topic, you try to understand this topic, and then we will discuss this in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.